Hey there, Tiffany Thomas with wealthytiffany.com, and in today's video I'm going to talk about how I was able to make $800 last month in less than 2 hours. And before we dive in, if you are serious about becoming financially free at a young age, click the link below this video in the description and I can help you do that. All right, let's dive in and talk about how I was able to make $800 last month in less than 2 hours. And I love talking about this because you guys, you can totally make your money work for you. You just need to put in a little bit of effort and it can really start to expand and you can really make a lot of money without spending a lot of time doing it. And the way I was able to make $800 last month was because I had 2 rooms available in actually 2 of my different properties, and I filled both of those rooms. So I did have to show the rooms. I had to go over to the property and show the room and then sign the contract with the renter. And then they gave me a security deposit, which is $400. And you know, that's how I was able to make $800 in less than 2 hours, about 2 hours last month, because I was able to fill those 2 rooms and I charge a security deposit. So I'm able to keep that $800 and invest that in something else that I would like to put that toward. And I mean, I do realize that I'm going to give back a portion of that. I'll give back $300 to each tenant. So I'll keep $100 for each tenant, so a total of $200 that I'll be keeping. So I'll be giving back $600. But hopefully I'll be able to replace the tenants with a new tenant immediately. So I'll have their security deposit, the new tenants, and I can just give that back to the tenants that are moving out. So it can just flow pretty nicely. And, you know, there may be some overlap, maybe a month where it's empty. So I may not have that immediate cash flow coming back in. And I'm not saying this to brag or anything like that. I'm just showing you what's possible. It doesn't, once you have your properties set up, it doesn't take that much time to manage them. And that's how I was able to make that $800 in less than 2 hours. I just had to do a few things on my part, put in a little bit of effort, and was able to create that cash flow for myself. And you guys can totally do that too. Real estate is a really good way to invest your money. If that is something you are interested in, yes, it does take effort, but not a ton of effort, and you can set it up how you want to set it up. If you don't want to manage it at all, you can get a property manager and they can manage it for you, and they just take a percentage of the rent that you're receiving. Or if you want to do it like I do it and manage them yourself, but I work with a handyman, so he takes care of all of my projects for me. If there's something that needs to be fixed at one of the properties, then he'll do that for me. Or if you want to do it all yourself, you manage it and fix anything, if you are a handyman, then you can go that route. But it's just, you know, it's a great way to make some extra income, and you want to make sure, of course, that you're doing it right. And I have plenty of other videos about getting started in real estate and how I've been able to progress over time, and the things that I look for and the things that I do in order to be successful with real estate investing. But I just wanted to share this with you guys real quick and let you know that there are ways to make your money work for you. And once you start doing that, and you have enough of your money working for you, and whether that is in the stock market or in real estate, but you can eventually become financially free. So you can have the option to work or not to work because you have your investments, you have your money working for you. And if you guys found this video helpful, please like it and share it with someone else who would like to hear this information. And if you have other ideas about content that you want me to create, please put that in the comments below so I can create videos for you. And if you guys are serious about becoming financially free at a young age, click the link below this video in the description and I can help you do that. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks!